Hey guys, welcome to my channel TechZone. If you're looking for the best foldable phones, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best foldable phones options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which foldable phones is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is the most fully realized version of Samsung's ideal of a flip phone since the launch of the original Galaxy Z Flip in 2020. The Flip 7's appeal is simple. It's a thin phone with a big, bold screen that folds in half into a coaster-sized square. The Flip 7 launches at a time when Samsung's competitors, especially Motorola, have found their own unique appeal and success with flip phones, which have progressed from novelty to competitive, cutting-edge technological niche. So it's a delight to see the South Korean company nail this phone's design. And in my testing, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 has been a blast to use. Whether I was on the streets of Little Italy in New York paying for gelato without opening the phone or watching Sinners on that 6.9-inch screen during a flight to San Francisco, the Flip 7 impressed me in nearly every way but one: its battery life. It has a larger battery than the Flip 6, but it doesn't last any longer. Number 2. Motorola Razr 60 Ultra Flip Phone. The Motorola Razr Ultra, starting at $1,299.99, seamlessly blends the appealing, pocketable design of an old-school flip phone with the performance of today's top smartphones. We really like its excellent inner and outer screens, class-leading battery life, impressive performance, and solid connectivity options. That said, we wish its cameras were sharper, its AI a little more inspired, and that Motorola would provide a longer support window. And the Razr Ultra features an aluminum frame, a titanium-reinforced hinge, rounded corners, and a textured back. It comes in 4 colors: Cabaret, Pink, Mountain Trail. Number 3. Oneplus Open Foldable Smartphone. The Oneplus Open is the only big foldable phone that doesn't feel like a compromise. It looks and feels like a normal phone, and the camera is the best you'll find on any foldable. You can buy a foldable with a Galaxy more features, but the OnePlus Open provides elegant, capable multitasking and a great folding experience, and that's all you need. There are some missteps. The performance and battery life could stand some improvement. Number 4. Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Google's Pixel 10 Pro Fold is its third-generation folding phone and the most refined version yet. It builds on the solid foundation of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold with small but meaningful tweaks that are mostly hidden within the metal and glass design. But that doesn't mean the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is suddenly outdated. And it may be available at a steep discount once the new phone hits store shelves. Is it better to pony up for the latest and greatest? Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Foldable Phone. Samsung has achieved quite a feat with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Yes, it's a spectacularly thin phone, but an even greater accomplishment is that using both the cover and main display on this book-style foldable finally feels like an almost perfect experience. Almost. I spent a week scrolling, snapping photos and texting on Samsung's new premium foldable, and it really was a feeling is believing experience. Because the Z Fold 7 is only 8.9 millimeters. Number 6. Honor Magic V5. Honor is clearly building decent momentum with its foldables. The Chinese manufacturer has taken a chunk out of Samsung's market share in key global markets. Although Honor doesn't have a presence in North America, it's doing well in other Western countries. The Magic V5 aims to build on that foundation. The foldable is launching at a time when there are plenty of exciting devices in this category. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 has alluring upgrades, and the Vivo X Fold 5